Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to just go through a basic demonstration walkthrough of the new Stable Audio Open 1.0. If you go to the actual Hugging Face repository, sign in to get access to this model. Stable Audio Open 1.0 it's a sound generator. So it generates sound up to like 47 seconds in length. And you can do like all types of sounds. So I just thought this was a really slick little tool you may want to add to your toolbox. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've done. So initially you go here and you download or you get access to the model, and then you can just import the library. So I came and load my libraries. Also, this code base will be available on GitHub as soon as we're done. So here we just have it. We're pulling through basic. You can look through this code and see we're just pulling down the model, passing the parameters that we actually got from the site. So this is kind of directly from Stability. And the only thing we kind of added was the base name. So we add in our prompt right here. We add in a custom prompt that we want to generate for the audio. Then we go through, have just basic file manipulation, and then, so let's just basically go ahead and give it a run through. And the first one we're going to generate is the sound of a typewriter. Then I think I just like kind of joke sounds. So just arrived at my kid's school. Sorry, I'm stuck in traffic. Then I did kind of like a piano ballad. Then sorry, just stepping into a meeting. So that's kind of what we're going to do. And I actually have this set to render the audio in the notebook. So let's listen. So that's pretty slick. That's a typewriter typing. As you can see by the prompt, I just put in typewriter typing, and you can prompt it to whatever. So this is the one, children in the background laughing. So that's kind of a joke, like, hey, sorry, I can't talk right now. Just arrived at my kid's school. So that's pretty interesting. I think it's really good for the use cases that you can apply to quick sounds. You may hear the sounds of my GPU fans kicking up on the laptop as this is hammering the GPU right now. Here's another one, traffic sounds from a car with the windows rolled up sitting in a traffic jam. So sorry, I'm stuck in traffic. So you hear that. Now you have the piano ballad. We're just going to go ahead and have that one. So that you can tell, you can kind of generate like a song or music to a song. And then the last and final one we're going to do is, sorry, I just stepped into a meeting. So this, going to be probably some muffled voices. Let's give it a listen. So it's pretty good for what it is. There's just a few examples, and like I said, I will be providing the link to this GitHub for this notebook that you can run on your own in the description of the video. Thank you for your time. Once again, this is a review of Stability Audio 1 by FalconsAI 125.